front of me are plain words that seizes the astounded eyes of a wandering soul. In this city of stories untold, stop and turn back, got my old sorry ass to react a bit differently. Like a fish out of water, I started to breathe, stomping on the earth with my feet. Black Coca-Cola bottle clean, fizzing dreams got me thinking scenes like that time a kid ran straight to her mother without another thought in her. Still laughing with a chronic disease, all that bum roaming these vain streets of misery. The point miserably missing me. It's a mystery that clouded like a misty screen. An elderly passed by me with his box of crockery, pots, pans, plates, and dishes, clanging sounds he made from a distance. Caught me by surprise that he walked 30 miles of commitment that didn't even stress him. A living testament, as he talked sense I listened. As a matter of fact, he was glistening. As he talked sense, he was preaching. Kan hajing him menom laban niya rablud henry duway, but what ya liking? I pray, he prays, she prays, we pray. I pray, he prays, she prays, we pray. That rusty stop sign got me to a halt, made me drop tears thinking why. Life has never been committed to a reason, and I have never been so alive. Turn back was never meant to be a retreat, never meant it before, but this heart beats differently. A moment of peace when I recollect all my best memories. See, that old man was right, cause he knew I could never save the world if I ever wanted to, but $100 still does wonder for a hunger, and just one lesson establishes an empire. Now prayer is a virtue for the fallen. It is nothing if you don't let it out in actions. Those 1,000 words don't mean enough for someone. A single syllable when you act can bring down mountains. As we climb, we shine. I pray in these rhymes that we are gonna be fine. Divine interventions in these signs will incline to help him this time. The Almighty guides with his design. So I'ma lift my head on up, let me speak to the one. How am I supposed to walk in this heat of the sun? Ain't nothing in this world gonna stop me today, so I close my eyes and pray.